It's Rhonda, and I'm here at Earthworks this morning talking about some pond plants and some pond media, and then I wanted to talk about some netting. So right now in my yard, I've got 2 avocado trees that suffered in the winter. They are dropping some leaves because they turned brown because of some cold, and so my pond is getting inundated with leaves. And so in order to remedy that, I can go home and skim and pick out all the leaves because leaf debris is not good for my pond. I know it can cause tannins and just some muck at the bottom, and it just doesn't look nice. My skimmer gets clogged up. And so to address that, when I'm not home, I can go ahead and use this pond netting. It covers my pond up while I'm not home. Because I want to look at my pond and have it look nice while I'm there, but while I'm not home, I'm going ahead and covering it so that while I'm here at work, leaves are being caught by this net, and then when I get home, all I have to do is pull back the net and clean off the net. I don't have to go kind of in my pond. I don't have to unclog my skimmer. I'm not picking leaves out of every crevice in my pond. And so this is a great item to pick up. They are reasonably priced, and also the netting, the space between is a penny wide, and so that's a nice tight net for you. So it'll catch a lot of leaves. A lot of your debris for you. And like I said, when I get home, I like to uncover it and look at the natural state of my pond, but just to save myself a little bit of time, I'm using this netting right now. So come on in and ask me about it. We have 3 sizes of netting. So if you've got a really large pond, I think I can address your issue with your leaf drop. Another use for this pond netting is to keep predators away from your fish. So sometimes we have predator birds here in Jacksonville, especially during times when they're nesting. They're a little bit more aggressive about looking for prey. And so this netting can also be used to keep them out of your pond. So we're here from 9 to 5 every day except Sundays. We're here from 10 to 5. We've got a fantastic newly renovated website. It's earthworksjacks.com. You're going to be amazed at how beautifully it's laid out and how easy it is to shop online at our store. So come on in and check us out either in person, or if you want to see what's available before you come in, check out our website. It's beautiful. You guys have a great day, and come on in whenever you can.